Salesforce is an incredibly versatile tool, and today we're diving into how to use Salesforce for contract management. If you're looking to streamline your contract management process, Salesforce might be the solution you've been searching for. Stick around till the end, and I'll show you how you can use Salesforce completely free with some exclusive bonuses. First off, let's talk about how you can easily store and manage your contracts in Salesforce. By using custom objects, Salesforce allows you to create a structured environment for your contracts. You can build a custom object specifically for contract management and include key fields like contract type, start and end dates, and contract value. This makes it easy to find and access your contracts whenever you need them. Next thing you need to know is Salesforce's ability to automate contract-related tasks. This is where the power of automation comes into play. You can set up workflows and process builders to automatically generate contract renewal reminders, track approval processes, and even send alerts for upcoming deadlines. No more worrying about missing important dates. The fourth thing to consider is collaboration. Salesforce integrates seamlessly with other apps like Google Drive and Microsoft Office, so you can manage documents and collaborate with your team without leaving the platform. For example, you can store contracts in Salesforce and link them to specific opportunities, accounts, or contacts. That way, your team always has the most up-to-date documents and can collaborate in real time. Now let's talk about reporting. Salesforce's reporting tools let you generate insightful reports about your contracts, including tracking contract status, expiration dates, and revenue forecasts. This allows you to stay on top of all your contracts in one dashboard. You can even create custom reports that focus on the metrics that matter most to you, like contract values, renewal rates, or approval timelines. The next big feature is contract templates. Salesforce lets you create templates for your contracts, which can save you time and ensure consistency. You can automate the process of contract creation, and when it's time to generate a new contract, you can pull up the correct template, fill in the necessary details, and send it off in just a few clicks. Finally, let's discuss contract e-signatures. Salesforce has integrations with e-signature platforms, so once your contract is ready, you can get it signed quickly and securely, all within Salesforce. This integration helps streamline the entire process from contract creation to execution, ensuring you never have to deal with paper contracts again. By now, you've seen how Salesforce can completely transform your contract management process. And the best part? You can get started for free. If you want to try Salesforce with an extended free trial, click the first link in the description below to claim your exclusive bonus and start using Salesforce for contract management today.